All right, this is going to be a little tutorial for anyone who was not on our class meeting today, Tuesday, May 19th, or for anyone who just needed a little reminder on how to record and log in and get on Flipgrid. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this link. Okay, if you're in presentation mode, you can just click on the words and not have to click on the external link. And then you're going to enter you'll see this kind of like home page. You'll have to enter a flip code. Our flip code is CL4D. Kind of if you think of county line 4th 4 DeGracie. CL4D. And then you can click enter. What you will see is this really cool Mrs. DeGracie's class. Okay? Today in our meeting we talked about just using Flipgrid very easily. And we're going to use it later in this week for other assignments. I'm really excited about this. I think this is going to be really fun. But you have your first kind of trial, if you will. So it says, welcome to Flipgrid. You're going to tap the green plus on below, and I'll show you that in a second, to open the Flipgrid camera. And then you're going to record a short video. This is what the video needs to be. You're going to say hello. However you want to say hello, make sure it's school appropriate. And share a fun fact about yourself. It can be something that you've been doing over distance learning. It can be something that no one really knows about you. Yeah, just something fun to share. So, how this is going to work is you're going to scroll down and you're going to come across this green, it's a giant plus sign. Okay? You're going to click on it. Then you're going to see this loading window. It might ask you, typically when we, so you can see me, hello. You sometimes it will like ask you to allow the camera to work. Just click allow. It says you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record your video. So what you're going to do, click the record button. Hi guys, as you can see, it counted you down. It said like 3, 2, 1 for your video. So we're going to introduce ourselves, say hello. I guess we don't really have to introduce ourselves, but say hello and share something fun about yourself. So, hello guys. As you know, I'm Mrs. DeGracie. And something fun about myself is I have been to every German-speaking country where German is like the main language in the world. Right? So cool. I've been to Germany, Austria, Switzerland, a little tiny country called Liechtenstein, where they all speak German. So that is something fun about me. Okay, so I'm going to pause. Now, here are filters, text, stickers, drawings, borders, photo sticker. For this one, I will let you play around. For other ones that are more for like assignments, you may not be able to use them. So, go nuts with these. If you want to do that, that is fine. Okay? But once you're done recording, if you don't like it, you can click redo. Once you're done, click next. Review. Hi guys, as you can see, it counted you down. It said like 3. So, just reviewing. Click next. Take a selfie. Again, play around with the filters if you want. Click next. Okay. For your display name, you have to have your name. I'm going to change it to Mrs. DeGracie. Please no nicknames unless your name is like Abigail and you write Abby. Okay. But no, we have to know who you are. You don't need to do a title. No link. And then you just click submit video. Woohoo! Congrats! Okay. And then don't worry about here's a direct link. You don't need to download the video. You don't need to download your selfie. Just click complete. And it's now kind of on our grid board. So that's how you do Flipgrid. We will all be doing one tomorrow. And I can't wait. See you then.